Recognition card Chironsi National Press Day Catalan. IRCS pen Vesker Bianglong disiaphan ng kachetong. Assam Assembly along winter session aphan Arni Kapangdag. Kardom Adap Abirta along pen nilisami marvelous rong parpi nonarju ikta Abirta ang ton pen. Diphu Agriculture Farmers Growth Center along DPCKA Patir PC National Press Day Catalondon. Pinidet PRLO Perangke Arani Mate National Press Day Catalondon Asonsi Diphu Arong Supi Arlota District Press Club of Karbianglong Patir PC Agriculture Farmers Growth Center along Talondon. Adap Abirta Sayajay Megdengsi District Press Club of Karbianglong Amaipu Kiri Ronghang Arideng Pensi Lama Ing Turponlo Lasopi Kachikimo Amilur Tame Kaiponlo Lama Kang Turlaben Kachikimo Amilur Kekaya Jamek Patangde Dapi Puthot Mai Ing Nipon May Pu Kiri Ronghang Pen Kachepahem Pu Amayalong EM Rupsing Tiron Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen Chetongdun Lasohut Aluhi Aman Pen Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Karbianglong Autonomous Council Board Chairman Longsing Tiron Johnny Timung Information and Public Relations Deputy Director Abhinash Barman Lapen Pirangke Abarim Nogen Boratum Chetongdun Mayalong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Kaningji Atengke Ahokpet Abirta Kapangdag Jialongke Madu Penta Kachethan Kachepalam So Joyabang Donangni Kupima Ahogalam Halabangsi Pangdak Nangji Longri Longpat Kachingtur Lapen Isi Kemesan Ahampang Kapamanji Along Pirangke Tumta Arpu Thetan Lasi India Constitution Nujok li aja kong pen herangke tum apanta nujok isi aja kong panong pilo. Lasi laso aja kong kuan ma kapang tangpon la ansi me thanga longri along pata ing tangpon popusi disi saikia ningje.
Pressor Hamas এখন সুস্থ সমাজ গঢ়িবলৈ হলে প্ৰেছৰ দায়িত্ব কিমান প্ৰেছ বিং দি ফৰ্থ পিলাৰ অফ দি ডেমক্ৰেসি গতিকে এই স্তম্ভটো চতুৰ্থ স্তম্ভটো যিমানে মজবুত হয় এখন দেশৰ ডেমক্ৰেসি সিমানে শক্তিশালী হৈ উঠে
Halapu EM Rupsing Teron Kaninji Ateng isi alam the kapang dak je phan pherangke along ajakong do ketok kapachethang pen pherangke tum asong ta parlu un lapen arum ta pasun un pu EM Teron ningje si Karbianglong along kapachethang ahin an suse kapang tangpon pulote Kachini ason lapen ke theglong le ason tami hong an nangklang po lasi jasemet petke kapachet hang lapen chirok tok asai klemsi lahaya pu thak hong an wanang po pusi alang liningje
Karbi Anglong Major karene ami press jogidit ama pritu jaito kuribule ami bahut ami baki ase hetu kuribule jaote ami eta hujukita ami thakibo লাগিব karon ki keitaman bostu ami huthik toithon upwa kane প্ৰায় তাকি কৈছে ওতেনি আমাৰ বোৰ্ড চেয়াৰমেন তেৰণ লগতে আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ কাৰ্বি সমাজত এটা ইতিহাসবিলাক এই ইতিহাসবিলাক তথ্য নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰায়তো আমাৰ হেৰাই যোৱা নাই পাহৰিহে গৈছে
Ahokpet alam ansi kacepat choyji aphan EM Teron asangho chuning ripon lason thak thaksi pherangke abarim Nogen Borapen board chairman Longsing Teron atumta Perangke tum ke claim ke dam nangji arpu aputhak klar dakpen than pare Mayalong perangke claim bangatum angbong government recognition akarta chiron ponlo Dipupen camera person Roshan Hanse pen Sarjip Kathar Karbianglong live Indian Red Cross Society Assam State Branch Sankur Chunbang Diganta Bujar Barua eminent plasma scientist and co-opted member IRCS Assam State Branch Dr. Sarbeswar Bujar Barua Lapen IRCS Karbianglong District Branch Kongchunbang Borsing Phangcho Tumpen Pini Arnisi Yangbong Indian Red Cross Society Ansuse Kapangtang Ponjiaphan Bor Iponsi Haflong Disiaphan Chitong Damdet Pen Puthot Arnikang Sampor Phai Kethomra Minute Plikebra Pho Vesker Bianglong DC Shade Isfakur Hemanaphan Chitong Damsi West Karbi Anglong angkang pi constituency sirke bahawarapan sitame tongsekot kisung ke phuahut kerap dunji thekji aphat Indian Red Cross Society pen kilang kacharap dun thekji aphan mangponsi ang tonalam West Karbi Anglong DC pen chingki chingwai patepon West Karbi Anglong DC Syed Isfakur Rahman ben sitame kachikroy dunang thek hamren angkang anparta bothadlangso dongkamukam Khironi jirikendeng ulukunci doanta parloponsi radakisung doan akirap pidun thek poputa jaidun Halapu Assam State Branch pen IRCS san kurchunbang diganta bujar barwa pen lamthe ke jai ponke
Basically, we are from Indian Red Cross Society, Assam State Branch, Guwahati. Our basic purpose of visiting the Honorable Deputy Commissioner today is to constitute a branch of Indian Red Cross in West Karbi Anglong district. The Honorable Deputy Commissioner is the President. Our National President is President of India and State President is Honorable Governor. So already we have few members, but we want to enroll more, and after enrolling we want to constitute the branch for the humanitarian works in West Karbi Anglong district. Actually, when there was a district in Difu when Karbi Anglong was together, so now as this is a new district, so we have to constitute a new branch over here. It is as per Indian Red Cross Act 1920 and uniform rules. So I hope that the people of Karbi Anglong will be happy to join Indian Red Cross Society. It's the largest humanitarian organization in the world, winning 4 Nobel Awards. So I think it's a great opportunity for all the people over here.
IRCS Karbi Anglong District Branch pen Ladakh West Karbi Anglong angkang piaphan kelang kapacheleng akisung kidoko gajok prabjin pen IRCS West Karbi Anglong District Branch keseng ponji aphan akemang doloputa boring phangcho pen pherang ke aphan phan pachini Hemkimi po along cafeteria market shed public toilet pen waiting shed antado lason plia hemta pini kangpu ajaimek pachun pon Bangso project lake Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Project Ministry of Development Northeast Region Government of India and implemented by Karbi Anglong Community Resource Development Society Hamrena hinpen kachurap chito dunpen kikimpo na hem kimi kangpu along Kopili VDC Chairman Sir Honsing Tirang alang liphan Cafeteria District Project Director Sir Senti Kemba Jamir alang liphan Market Shed Public Toilet ke Accountant Sir Lakhiram Timung lapen Waiting Shed abangke Karbi Club Khironi Amaipu Sir Mohan Teron pensi ingpu ponlo Lapendo thulang lake generator akimita XEM sar Rensing Bay pensi ingpu ponlo bangso son lake rat kaching room o titi adungsi simar dunji mate radaphan ador ki jumpen kapachok dunji aphansi kemang lapen Swachh Bharat Abhijan pen kacherap thetan hem kimi ingpu det aphi bangso ahem lake Karbi Club Khironi aphansi pipa jertekanglo Hemkimi po along cafeteria market shed public toilet pen waiting shed antado lason plia hemta pini kangpu ajaimek pachun pon State Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma chiklo jonni aphrang pen kapangdak atengsi Assam along rialong hajat penon Citizenship Amendment Bill surhini ra kretrok abangke wanvekpo Labang soalam long leklok lesi CAB kapachunji aphan arni nangte bokbomlo Dr. Himanta pen kaningji atengke non ke wangji phaikuni ni phai inkoira nar kep arni pen kapedo ponji Assam Assembly along winter session kangni pon nini angbong kapachun ponji aphan Union Home Minister Amit Shah Guwahati along nangka homri ahusi pangdak tekanglo Bonta Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma alam thepen bradaphan aningka pathya tengke Abana draft alo along pen kachingbar ave Laso angbong asami sa tumpen thangnat ka siksak donji alam theamatsi klangkleipu Dr. Sharma pen than pachinipon Asamalong rialong lakli pho aradatuk bangso bil kapachun pen ake jog longsi longri kaching tur ahar chelong paprang dun thekpo CAB alam ke khamke asai pen monsam kachesong along ke khangdun un e lasiki khamke tum pachesong ponbom na Bonta Central Government pen Bangso Bill Chunvekpo. Bangso alam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen Pirangkia Tumangnu Pangdakpon. News Report Rongbong Terang Karbi Anglong Live Hamren. Pini Prime Time Abirta Bangke Lapan Sikang Toniglaw Domit Hagme Kardom.